It was during the rainy season, 1934, in Kamoto village, when late Tom and Ellen Mutarika were blessed with a baby boy.
Anabadwa nthawi ya mabingu. Ndiye zina lana litenga loti abingu nkhani yoti anabadwa kuli mvula ya mabingu.
He was named Bingu, a storm that comes with thunder and lightning, commonly known in Malawi's vernacular as Mabingu. He was a direct descendant of the royal Mutarika family, which is one of the traditional kings of the Lomwe tribe. Back in the days, not any child had a privilege to access primary education. It was in two folds. Because education was paid for, those that could not afford it never had their children in school. Sometimes, those with the resources never empowered their children to go to school. But that was not the case with Tom.
Kumbali ya maphunziro saname bambo ndiye analozwa kuphunzitsa ana. Chifukwa pa kumpa usakalolera munthu kufika kuchisawa kuti aseweleni mwana wawo moposa kuwerenga. Nthawi inali senali kuti yo akhale busy ndi kuwerenga. Okuti awa amene alipo amachita okanizidwa kuti ola ati ampase munthu moni kuchita kwabweza kuti ufuna mpase moni chifukwa chani ndikufuna nimpase munthu moni wandisakalasala ayi tiye khalapa busy mabuku basi nkupezeka kuti pa ana awiri onse mmene analili onse maphunziro analofanana koma a president otisiyawa nkumanena kuti ine ndaphunzira komanso mphanga pambuyo naye ndi mwalanso ife kumafunsa kuti ayi sipano anachiwa munthu mmodzi kuma maphunziro achi ofanana ndiye kuti matani amayi wamatuza kuti bambo wawo tiwo anadadongoso samafuna kuti pa kompao munthu abwere osewera kapena kuti azinena zache zopanda mitu ayi amafuna ndithu busy kuwerenga nthawi ndi nthawi.
Tom, Bingu's father, was a strong believer in education. He had taught for 37 years. His mother, a gentle and loving woman, taught other women of Mvano group. He was an intelligent boy who did exceptionally well in class. After his primary school, he obtained Grade A Cambridge Overseas School Living Certificate at Dedza Secondary School in 1956. From there, he obtained a Bachelor of Commerce degree and a Master of Arts degree in Economics from the University of Delhi in India. He was later awarded a Doctor of Philosophy degree in Development Economics from the Pacific Western University in Los Angeles, California, in the United States of America, to become Dr. Bingu Mutarika. He also attended dozens of short courses on business management, financial analysis, trade promotion, political leadership, regional and economic cooperation, and human relations. In recognition of his wealth of knowledge and experience in both domestic and international economic development, Bingu Mutarika received many honorary degrees, including Professor of Economics by East China Normal University in April 2010, Doctor of Letters, Degree Honoris Causa by the University of Delhi in October 2010, Doctor of Laws, Degree Honoris Causa by the University in 2008, and Doctor of Philosophy, PhD, Degree Honoris Causa, University of Strathclyde, Scotland in 2005. Professor Bingu Mutarika has received the following accolades and awards: Special Millennium Development Goals MDG Awards, United Nations in 2010. COMESA Special Awards of Achievements. Drivers of Change Awards by the Southern Africa Trust. 2009 Medal of Glory Award, the Foundation of Democracy in Africa in Florida. Most Excellent Grand Commander, Government of Malawi in 2009. International Award for Food Security by Food and Agriculture and Natural Resources and Policy. Agricole Medal by the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO. MBC, Our People, Our Pride. a Danish government award of recognition for outstanding performance in promoting gender equality and women empowerment. Honor for exceptional creative achievement. But while he was abroad attaining all these achievements, his dream was to one day come back home and lead the country.
Koma siku mwana afika anaza nakuti netu ndabwera chose Malawi muno ndiokhazikika sopano. Mabwera chose Malawi muno sopano aliya imikungilima isenalipo yatani yata. Pakali pano ndilifiri. Chifukwa khumbo langa ndilofuna ndilamule chilumba cha Malawi. Sininga mwalire ine paziko lapansi sana lamule Malawi. Ndazuzika kuzuzikira ziko la Malawi zaka zochuluka. Kuti ndilamule ziko la Malawi. Ndiyese zingatheke kuti ine ngofika kumwalira isana lamule Malawi. Ndikangomwalira ine sana lamule ziko la Malawi. Kwa Mulungu mulandu.
But political grounds could not allow him to come home and settle. He could only visit his family a number of times in a year. And even when he did, any tresses had to be swept off.
Amataka kufika ntai mwe kumabwela gari moto ya Malawi Congress Party zimarand rovers okuti wakata kafika ati pano ntai mwe matayara maini kasesedwi monga choje mwafika gari moto pochoka tisesi pasaonike kuli pafika matayara ndiye anthu maona ngata ukhamoyo nditu ozuza ndiye choncho akabwela choncho kumaona kuti chabwino nankatitani.
After such a successful academic path, it was time for Bingu to settle down.
Ndiye sinakhala ndiso khumudwa kuti mukuyambira nkhani zimenezo chifukwa chani chifukwa yo ife tinamva kuti pimene timakula timamva kuti muli maiko akunja koma chikathawa inu zinali nkhani zandali ndi sopano mukuyambira bezo mwezo anati isi zingatheke ngati pali kufa kuti nzafele ndali chabwino nzafele ndali chifukwa ndikhumbulanga chabwino basi tinakhala kena kuti naona abwera siku loyamba anabwera pa chisoko skulupo tinamva mwakuti anthu kupanga za ndale monga mmaziwira koma ife tonse pa kompanalo khumudwa okuti olokusonkhano kuti makhala mokhumudwa khala kuti chabwino mmene akatuzira makolo muja apiteso momwemo chabwino koma be tinachivomereza nangasaina chanasaina kuti sangafe asana lamule Malawi mpaka na chimenecho anamenyana nacho mpaka na ndi aja anatenga zikoli kumalamula.
He first married Ethel in 1965 and had 4 children. Madalitso, the only son, and 3 daughters, Norma, Tapiwa, and Dua. But Ethel Zaruya Mutarika passed away on the 28th of May 2007 while serving as the First Lady of the country. Bingu's attempts to come back and settle home were fulfilled, and his desire to rule the country finally happened. He became Malawi's second democratically elected president for 2 consecutive terms.
I, Dr. Bingu Mutarika, do solemnly swear that I will well and truly perform the function of the high office of President of the Republic of Malawi, and that I will preserve and defend the Constitution, and that I'll do right to all manner of people according to law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will, so help me God. Malawi oye! Malawi oye! Malawi oye! DBB oye! DBB oye!
On 17th of April 2010, Professor Bingu Mutharika was happily married again to Calista Mutharika, the then First Lady of Malawi. People came from all walks of life to witness this auspicious ceremony. Bingu believed in the people of Malawi. He believed in self-reliance of the country. In the 7 years he was in power, he engineered a lot of economic and infrastructure development, priority after priority. Professor Bingu Mutharika was a writer. His vision of Malawi as a food basket was laid out in a book called The African Dream, From Poverty to Prosperity.
The African dream is the dream for Africa. It is your dream. It is my dream. It is a dream that tries to tell the story about Africa by Africans. For a long time, as Dr. Ken Lipenga was saying, we read about Africa from the eyes of others. And quite often, it's disasters that are being emphasized, or something that has gone wrong, or sometimes they talk about good governance. But that's not Africa. We read about Africa of poverty, children dying of hunger, malaria, tuberculosis, and others. But that's not the whole Africa. And I agree that that Africa exists. We read about Africa of poverty, where we have begged for everything that we have. That Africa also exists. But in this book, I wanted to tell the story of another Africa. Not Africa of disasters, but Africa of opportunities. Not Africa of hopelessness, but Africa of hope. Because I know that Africa can indeed move from poverty to prosperity.
Other works done by the late president were My Business Apinto, which was published in Chichewa and Chitumbuka in 2005, One Africa, One Destiny in Harare, 1994, Towards Multinational Economic Cooperation in Africa in New York, 1972. Professor Bingu Mutharika also wrote over 24 papers and articles in leading international journals such as Finance and Development. Professor Bingu Mutharika was a passionate farmer. He foresaw the concept of the Green Belt Initiative.
I'd like to thank the MDG Organizing Committee for honoring me with this award for this year 2010 in recognition of the modest contribution that we made in transforming Malawi from a chronic food deficit to a food surplus country. I accept this award on behalf of the people of Malawi, who are making heroic efforts to increase agricultural production and food production in order to abate hunger and malnutrition. Let me tell you that some 5-6 years ago, Malawi was a food aid independent country. Every year, we were forced to beg for food from the donor communities. So when I became head of state of my country, I vowed never to bend my knee to beg for food to feed the people of Malawi. I told the people of Malawi to fold their shirts or whatever it is that they fold, and to make Malawi a hunger-free nation. I also wanted Malawians to believe that we could feed ourselves and to believe in themselves. And indeed, I resolved to turn Malawi into a hard-working nation, a nation of achievers.
He believed in a hard-working society. During his tenure, he significantly raised the standard of living of the people of Malawi with a sustained annual average growth rate of the gross domestic product GDP of 7.5% for the 6 years. Over the 7 years he ruled the nation, the country attained many significant international relations.
On behalf of our mayor, Carlos Alvarez, and on behalf of the chairman of our board, Commissioner Dennis C. Moss, and on behalf of the other county commissioners, including me, the Gov, and on behalf of, and I just like to say this because it's true, on behalf of Lottie Dottie and everybody who lives in or visits Miami-Dade County, we want to give this distinguished visitor plaque of appreciation to His Excellency. Let's give him a round of applause, please. It merely says, from our chairman, it says from our chairman, thank you for coming to Miami-Dade County. And I want to say personally, if I, your governor, could assist you in any way, please let me know. Don't go through Fred. Don't go through Tony. Call me personally. And you know what? We got to laugh now. It ain't fair to come out on a Friday night and not have fun and not let His Excellency feel welcome in our fair city. So come on, let's give him a round of applause. Because I understand that he's doing great things in his country, and again, we applaud you for the great things that you're doing, and we appreciate you coming to Miami-Dade County. Thank you very much. You know the shake too, man, that's all right. Is that it? No. Oh, and also on behalf of our chairman, Dennis C. Moss, and our mayor, and the other county commissioners, we want to give you the key to our city. Now, Mr. President, don't ask me what it fits now, but it is the key to our city. Okay. God bless you again. We appreciate you coming. All right.
Bingu died on the 5th of April 2012 while in office, and the nation was gripped with sorrow.
Presidency.